Today, we're going to show you how to change a Ford Ranger Key Fob battery, which we've got right here. These do take CR2032 batteries. We've got a link to that in the description below. First thing you need to do is open up the key. Then we're going to flip it around, and there's a little tab right here in the center of the key. And what you're going to do is you're going to insert your screwdriver like so, and then you're going to push. You're going to need a not a Phillips head, you're going to need a flathead screwdriver like we got right here, and you're going to push, and that's going to pop that cover off. And then you need that CR2032 battery. So we're going to take our screwdriver, we're going to push. Okay, we push that cover off, and that opens it up. You can see right where they've got a tab, that indentation, and that's where that screwdriver goes in. You can kind of see the angle you need to be at to push that cover off of there, so you have access to the CR2032 battery for the Ford Ranger Key Fob. Now all we're going to do is pop out this CR2032. We're going to put our new CR2032. You got to have the negative side down, positive side up. You're going to place that in there, and then you're going to take your cover. You're going to put that back on your Ford Ranger Key Fob, and that is how you change your Ford Ranger Key Fob battery. So before you go, folks, I got a little bit of a story and something that I want to tell you, and a favor to ask for you. So I hope you were able to watch this video. It saved you a little time on how to change your Ford Ranger Key Fob battery, but that's what this channel is all about. It's not just key fobs. We're trying to teach you how to do all kinds of stuff DIY, and we're also getting products. We review those products so you can know if they're good or not before you spend your hard-earned money on them. So if you want to watch more of that content, if you subscribe, we're going to give that to you. But also, just like we helped you today, that helps someone else, because the more people that subscribe, the more people that give us that thumbs up, the more people get to see the video that we make, or the videos that we make, and it helps them out so they can save a little bit of money. They don't have to go to the dealership to change their Ford Key Fob. Or maybe we've got other videos that show you how to use a tractor. Maybe we've got videos that show you how to use a generator, and we have videos like that. We show you how to use a generator. We show you how to hook up tractor implements, all kinds of good stuff there. And what I know about the folks that watch my channel is I know you guys are good folks that like to help people out. So one, you're going to help me out, just like I helped you out today. Two, you're going to help other people out. And three, what you don't realize is even though you're watching a video about key fobs, those videos, when we make them about how to use a generator, how to use a chainsaw, every time there's a storm, we get a spike in those videos because people are in an emergency situation and they're trying to figure out how to get power to their home. For their generator, maybe they sat in their closet, sat in their garage for 3 or 4 years. They never had to use it. But now they got to figure it out so they can keep, the food in their fridge. They can keep the lights on. They can keep the power on. They can make sure they're able to drink water, keep their well on. And, every time we do those videos, it's helping people out in ways that I didn't even anticipate when I made the video on how to start up your generator, how to maintain your generator, how to use your generator. And that's one of the things, the power of stuff like this and these internet videos and the internet, is you can reach so many people about things that are mundane in your life, but when somebody really needs it, it can help them out. So I appreciate you being here, but what I'd appreciate the most is if you could subscribe, or you could give us that thumbs up, so we can help more people out, we can support the channel, and we can do all kinds of great DIY content for you. You can look through, we got tons of videos. We got all kinds of videos on products that we buy, sunglasses that we buy. I bought sunglasses that I wasn't really sure about. It was like 3 of them for $20, and I was like, are these things going to be junk? But you know what? Great sunglasses for the summertime, if they're going to break, be out on the water, and way cheaper than the ones that I find in the gas station. So we're trying to help you out. We're trying to help out all kinds of folks. We're trying to help you save money so you can spend it on things that you love to do rather than wasting it, or spend it on things that you can fix. And we're also trying to give you the power to fix something so you don't have to worry about your car not starting in the morning when you go to work. You can just go buy the battery and get to work rather than having it towed to the dealer, or have an issue, or having to go to a dealer, spend all that time, energy, and money just to get your key fob changed. So it's bigger than that, and when you subscribe, it does help the channel. So thanks for watching. I appreciate y'all, and hope your Ford Ranger keeps running for a long time. See you next time.